Jinan, Hongniu Machinery Equipment Company Limited, was established in 2012. The production base is located near Jinan, Yaoqiang Airport, with convenient transportation. It has more than 150 employees, covers an area of about 70,000 square meters, and has 3 standardized production workshops. Each covers an area about 5,000 square meters. Hongniu Laser has been committed to the research and development, production, sales, and service of intelligent CNC products such as fiber laser cutting machines, laser welding machines, laser cleaning machines, and 3D robots. Hongniu Laser established an industrial design center in 2019, which is mainly engaged in the design and R&D of intelligent numerical control equipment. The design center has 19 employees, including 10 with a bachelor's degree or above. It has 16 patent certificates and 14 computer software copyright registration certificates. In addition, Hongniu Laser products have passed the CE certification and ISO 9001 certification. In order to meet the different requirements of customers for products, we also accept OEM and ODM orders. The corporate management policy of Hongniu Laser is scientific management, continuous improvement, rapid development, reputation first, quality first. Our goal is to be a professional, branded, and international supplier with various industrial solutions. Welcome customers and friends from all over the world to visit and join us.